good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. First off, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support on these videos, man. Really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. Thank you guys so much. You know, community is super strong for Tonic, and I see this project absolutely crushing it in the future. In this video, we're gonna get into you know, some recent Tonic information, and we're also going to take a look at what, you know, top names in the space that have made great calls are thinking about where we are heading in the market. Guys, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, get all these videos to 1,000 views a piece. Go back and rewatch these videos continuously, check the videos out, guys. Really helps the channel out. Every bit of support that you guys give. If we take a look at Tonic, we're bullish today, man. We're up 5.87%. Hope you guys were DCA'd into Tonic, man. I hope you guys were dollar cost averaging in on the way down, because it looks like we got a bounce. It looks like we got a bounce right here. And the great part is, this is a nice rounded bottom. Let me take a look at Google real quick. Rounded bottom chart pattern. As you guys can see, we have a slump in volume, then we make a move up, we have the retest, and then we have the breakout, right? That is what Tonic is doing right now, because Bitcoin is doing the same thing, a nice rounded bottom pattern. It's more cleaner on Tonic being a low cap altcoin. And you can take a look at the 3-month. You can see that nice rounded bottom pattern right there, guys. Super bullish stuff for Tonic. We continue up further here. We're gonna have a nice breakout. So if you were dollar cost averaging in, good on you. A lot of people are like I said, upset about, you know, the rewards getting lessened, but that is more sustainable for Tonic's price. And what do we want to see? We want to see zeros be eaten. We want to see all these zeros get absolutely eaten, get devoured like piranhas, you know, in the river, right? Just completely devouring each zero. And that is gonna be possible with, you know, the update that they had to their protocol, which I, you know, don't see anything wrong with, right? We're now having this nice move up on Tonic, nice rounded bottom pattern. If the pattern plays out, we could see a huge pop to the upside for Tonic right here, guys. So we'll see what happens, man. If you are dollar cost averaging in on the way down, you're smiling right now, going back to the way on the way up. From Bryce Island, still sitting on Tonic. Had to like and retweet that from Agent 00, Tonic Ambassador. Tonic is still pushing up. 8 likes, 20 retweets. Had to show my love to that, and that is what we love to see, man. We are taking over this space. Tonic is absolutely gonna crush it, guys. I'm telling you, wait until Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. We literally had the worst market conditions last year, the worst bear market ever. Wait until Bitcoin starts making new all-time highs. Where do you think Tonic and Crow will be? That is my question to you. Where do you think the all-time high for Tonic going into this next cycle is going to be, this next boom cycle? The next boom cycle more than likely will be one of the biggest we've ever seen, right? A lot of people are predicting that, and I wouldn't rule it out at all, guys. I wouldn't rule that out one bit. From Zygomatic, Tonic exchange rate is now 1.64. Funny fact, they changed the colors of the gradient around the conversion section. I pay way too much attention to detail. So they're updating the protocol. Great stuff to see, guys. Passive income is always great. You're getting way more passive income than you would in the banks. People using the protocol, which will happen in the future, right? As the project develops, as the team keeps working, the bull market gets back. Who knows? They could increase the passive income rewards because they're generating so much fees through the protocol. That could happen. You can't rule that out, guys. So if you have conviction on a project, stick to it. Stick to your plan. Keep at it, guys. I'm telling you. Shout out to Say and Steve right here, man. Blockchain Daily YouTube. When you're making a new video, you are slowly becoming one of the faces of the Tectonic Mount Rushmore. I said ASAP, thanks for supporting Tonic to the moon. Shout out to Say and Steve, man. Like, YouTube. I have been a little bit of history for you guys. I have done YouTube before, but then I got into crypto, and I have such a passion for crypto, right? It is like, to me, honestly, the future. This decentralized finance is the future, and this is why I left my old YouTube channels to focus on crypto, man. And then I stumbled into Tonic, and I realized how great, the community is, the project is. It is a great, fundamentally sound altcoin with actual utility, some type of degen project or meme coin. And I was like, this project looks like it has a great future ahead. After everything I've researched into it, a lot of people still don't believe in the project, even though people like Gary Orr, the co-founder of Crypto.com, one of the co-founders and the former CTO of Crypto.com, was responsible for being a part of the launch of Tonic. Even with information like that, people still don't have the conviction on the project. I have the conviction. I see this project doing very well going into the next bull cycle. We'll see how it plays out. And people like saying Steve showing support, and asking for videos gets me motivated to continue to put videos out. So Tonic fam, thank you guys so much, and continue to support, man. From Robert Kiyosaki warns a giant crash is coming. The time to buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin is now. A giant crash is coming. The time to buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin is now. Now, you think Bitcoin is going to be the only one that goes crazy when the giant crash happens? If we look at what we see right here, Bitcoin compared to the Tonic chart, what is Bitcoin doing? Moving to the upside, rounded bottom pattern. What is Tonic doing? Moving to the upside, rounded bottom pattern. Guys, rounded bottom pattern like, strippers. Or Brazilian, Colombian Latinas. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry for the corny jokes, but this is the type of rounded bottom that we're seeing right now for Tonic. And if this doesn't get you bullish, I'm telling you guys, look at the charts. Literally go to CoinMarketCap and compare it to Bitcoin right now. It is following the lead market mover. When the lead market mover is making new all-time highs, guess what will be making new all-time highs as well? Crow, Tonic, VVS, you name it, guys. Strong, fundamentally sound altcoins though, not, run-of-the-mill poo-poo projects, right? Robert Kiyosaki, I'm not sure if you guys know about Robert Kiyosaki, but he's a huge name in the investing, finance, ecosystem. And he put out a tweet that caught a lot of people's attention. 4.4 million views on this tweet. Giant crash coming, depression possible. Fed forced to print billions in fake money. What happens when, I just showed you guys in my previous video, Jerome Powell saying we have to raise the debt ceiling so they could do what? Print more money. When they print all these fake, dollars into circulation, what's gonna happen to the DXY? The DXY is going to fall tremendously. What happens when the DXY falls? Bitcoin makes crazy moves to the upside. When the lead market mover in Bitcoin and Ethereum starts making crazy moves to the upside, alts, not many alts starts to follow the lead market mover. Tonic is going to be one of those projects that absolutely go crazy for the bull, right? By 2025, gold at $5,000, silver at $500, and Bitcoin at $500,000. Yo, I'm smiling right now because I'm a moon boy myself. I will not pretend and be like I'm not a moon boy. I'm a moon boy myself. But 500k per Bitcoin in 2 years? Imagine the type of gains that we will see in Crow and Tonic. What type of all-time high are we going to see, guys? think about it. Bitcoin at $500,000. You know how much money that is in the market? You know how much mass adoption and growth that is to the Kronos ecosystem, crypto.com, all the new retail that's going to get onboarded because they're seeing people getting so rich, they'd be like, I have to get a piece of the pie. There's less than 1 billion people in crypto. I think there's only like 300 to 500 million people in crypto, somewhere around that number, right? There's 8 billion people in the world. 2 billion more people come into crypto. Imagine the type of gains you will see on a project like Tonic. And I'm not being a moon boy here. This is Robert Kiyosaki. This is someone with a lot of credentials. 500,000 Bitcoin. Because faith in the US dollar, the DXY, fake money will be destroyed. Gold and silver, God's money, Bitcoin's people's money. Take care. Had to bring this information to you guys to show you guys this tweet, man. A lot of people are talking about it. Obviously, there's gonna be the beers like, that's not possible. How could that happen? You know, one thing in crypto, anything is possible in crypto. Last thing that we're gonna take a look at is from James Choi. January CPI 6.1% year over year versus 6.2% consensus. Market will pop 1.5 to 2.2% at open. China reopening pushed up some CPI elements, but the Bureau of Labor Statistics are changing the components. So we had a bad CPI data, right? It's lower than it was in December or January, whichever month that was. It's lower, but the markets, even with the hotter than expected CPI, the market is still fighting the Fed, right? This is what we like to see. It came in lower than the previous month, but higher than expected, right? But the markets are still bullish. I don't know, man. I put out a tweet, 10K, 12K Bitcoin. I don't know if it'll happen, guys. I think the bottom could be in, and this is where we start making moves to the upside, and then we have minor corrections along the way. If you've already positioned yourself into the alts that you believe in, you ain't got nothing to worry about, man. If you have more finance money on the side to DCA in, what you can afford to lose, guys, because I'm not a financial advisor, you DCA in. It's looking bullish, guys. I'm telling you, everything is looking bullish overall. So we'll see what happens. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.